Hi, good morning. Today I am going to teach you about sentence type on the basis of structure. We can classify sentences into 4 on the basis of structure. First one is simple sentence. Second one is compound sentence. Third one is complex sentence. And the last one is compound complex sentence. Okay. Simple sentence means simple sentence or independent clause. Simple sentence or independent clause. It contains one independent clause. That means a subject and a verb. Simple sentence contains one independent clause or a subject or a verb. Simple sentence. For example, I am a teacher. Here I is the subject, am is the verb. Next one, Susanna sang a song. Here Susanna is the subject, sang is a verb. So, simple sentence is a sentence with one independent clause. Simple sentence, another name is independent clause. Second one is compound sentence. Compound sentence means it contains two or more independent clause or simple sentences. It contains two or more independent clause or simple sentences. For example, I am a teacher and my wife is a lawyer. I am a teacher and my wife is a lawyer. Here, I am a teacher is an independent clause and my wife is a lawyer is another independent clause. It can stand alone. Next example, she tried to lift the suitcase but it was too heavy. She tried to lift the suitcase but it was too heavy. Here, she tried to lift the suitcase is an independent clause. Then it was too heavy is another independent clause. By using but in the previous sentence, by using and, the two independent clauses are combined. These words are known as, we already discussed that these words are known as coordinating conjunctions. Okay. First we talk about simple sentence. Second one, compound sentence. Simple sentence means it contains only one independent clause. Compound sentence means it contains two or more independent clauses. Okay. Next, we have complex sentence. Complex sentence means it contains one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. It contains one independent clause and one or more dependent clause. For example, even though the exam was quite difficult, all the students passed. Even though the exam was quite difficult, all the students passed. Here, all the students passed is the independent clause. It can stand alone. Next, even though the exam was quite difficult is an dependent clause. Next example. When I got home from work yesterday, I watched TV for an hour. Here, I watched TV for an hour is an independent clause. When I got home from work yesterday is dependent clause. Here, even though, when are two words used in subordinate clauses. Even though and when. These are known as subordinate conjunctions. Okay. By using subordinate conjunctions, we can easily understand that is complex or dependent clause. Next one and last one is compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence means it contains two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Two or more independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. For example, if it rains tomorrow, bring your umbrella or you might catch cold. Once again, if it rains tomorrow, bring your umbrella or you might catch cold. Here, if it rains tomorrow is dependent clause. Bring your umbrella is independent. You might catch cold also independent clauses. Another example. She likes to sleep in, but she can get up early if she has work. She likes to sleep in, but she can get up early if she has work. Here, she likes to sleep in is an independent clause. She can get up early is another independent clause. If she has work is the dependent clause. Here, if is the connecting word. Okay, if is the subordinating conjunctions. If is the subordinating conjunction. If we see subordinating conjunctions in a sentence, we can analyze that it is a dependent clause. If you see coordinating conjunction in a sentence, you can easily analyze that is a independent clause. These are the 4 classification of sentences based on structure. You already know about classification of sentence on the basis of meaning. We already learned these things. Classification of sentence based on meaning. For example, affirmative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence. Last one is exclamatory sentence. These are 4 classification of sentences based on meaning, not based on structure. Today we learned about classification of sentences based on structure. First one is simple sentence, second one is compound sentence, third one is complex sentence, fourth one is compound complex sentence. Let me wind up today's class. I hope you all understand what I said.